Meow. That's perfect. Here we go. I got like the filter thing on.
Wow, and it's got the lens on.
Got the lens on. I'm so professional. The difference between this lens right here, it's like that. So if I took off the lens though, boom.
Whoa.
Boom.
Wow, makes it like a GoPro.
Look at we look so hot.
Super crisp smoldering.
Yeah. Just took a boat photo for our calendar coming in. It's gonna be right next to the fireman's calendar for the year. We're in Michigac River, tendering some set netters. We're taking their fish, giving them water, fuel, and being their best friend. Got ourselves
All
skiff
in the nush.
right there. And they fish from the sides of the river. We can take some videos right here of the magic, you know? Maybe we'll set her up.
Wheelhouse magic.
Wheelhouse magic. Captain's
We
chair.
gotta flip some important levers. Gotta
Whiteboard with some important information with numbers. Oh yeah.
Let's like turn on that good old fashioned anchor light.
We have our supercomputer over here where we.
Supercomputer.
There's a lot of room. The steering wheel that we don't actually use to steer the boat.
James uses it all the time. I used it to use cruise control.
The autopilot?
Autopilot.
Not cruise control.
Cruise control.
Autopilot, you can walk away.
I'm editing that out. The beauty of me editing the videos is I can make myself sound really smart, and I can bleep it. Maybe.
You're gonna bleep stuff out?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's because you're.
I am identities.
Bingo.
Oh. What did our boss say? Look, it looks like I have like sunburns on my face.
Seems to. I don't understand why they think it's slowed considerably. This is the same amount we had yesterday.
And they keep on asking us, like, the fishermen not delivering to you, but we're kind of taking more fish than the rest of the other areas.
We had the same
Fishing
amount of fish
drama.
last night.
But yeah, this is kind of where we chill. We can spot if there's a boat out there, and then we just kind of saunter out there and say, hey, what's up? Also, I hope this is a good timeline of my facial hair, because it's kind of the start of it. I don't think these are zits, but bleep that out. Well, I've never been able to grow facial hair before, so this is a great debut.
I got the Icelander and the Immensity. Okay, thank you.
We got a boat. Over the shoulder shot. Pretend you're looking off to the distance. Yell out a number.
24!
Writing down the numbers right here. It's pretty good handwriting.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I have the handwriting of a little girl.
Yeah.
Just gotta go nice and smooth.
Those hands right there.
It's like it's in slow mo.
It's burger time on the Starling S. Oh, shoot. Gonna put your glasses on, gonna hit the city. Brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Perfect! I just love this angle so much. So we're about to make some burgers. We got frozen meat. This is how we do it on the Starling S.
This is how we do.
Piece of meat, put it in our ice cream. Oh, wait.
Thing to put on the vlog.
You don't have to wait for any defrosting. Oh.
That's
Alright. Yeah.
I quit. You quit? I quit. I'll do it for a cigarette. All you have to do is catch them. It's
You too. I'll give you 1.5
covered in
cigarettes.
beef.
It's like fine shavings.
It's kind of fun to eat the shaving. It's like, I don't know. It's kind of fun.
Hey, got 2 more! What are you doing?
It doesn't taste good, but the texture's nice.
What was that?
That's like saying the texture of sawdust is real nice.
Sweeping up the shavings. That's looking delicious right now. That's an appetizer. It's basically sushi, right?
Oh, didn't see you guys there.
Alright, let's take a look at James's outfit.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Okay, let's show. Can we show some more light? Is there?
These are all the light. Oh, pale light. That's gonna make me look so white.
Yeah, I'll edit it in the footage.
Can you make me look tan?
Spider-Man socks.
On top of Crocs.
Socks and Crocs. Now it's a party. It's been starting to slow down.
We've been getting less
a little bit.
deliveries. There's still lots of fish. It's just less fishermen are bringing fish.
They hate us. What do we got for the tides today?
We low water at 205. Oh, there's a drone.
We get a full. Since this is for my mom and her friends, they
They need to see my hair. Hey, Aliupa.
What would you say is the craziest thing that happened to you this year?
You driving 90 miles per hour on a beach. 145 kilometers.
So it was just a flat beach, went on forever. I was like, oh, I bet I could just like see how fast we could go. I was like, this is kind of cool, driving in and out. And then all of a sudden, I kind of nicked one of the waves. And all my
he was
friends, that was
driving
cool.
with cell phone in hand, taking a selfie video. And then when we hit said wave, and it explodes on the windshield, we can't see anything. He doesn't have a hand to hit the windshield wiper because his hands are occupied. So I have to reach over and hit the windshield wipers.
Like it was just like, it was a blanket.
It's an explosion
of water. The worst part of it is that I didn't get to keep the video.
Yeah, we had such good videos of us sand dune boarding.
I lost.
That was the biggest bummer.
I lost the phone. All right, Chase.
He's in the bathroom.
Are you kidding me? Is he filleting the fish in the bathroom?
He's hiding. Yeah,
There's only one person on this boat that we trust to fillet the fish. That's Chase. But he hates being videotaped.
Or photographed.
Or photographed. Let's go find him. He's not over here. Oh, there he is! Chase! You already filleted the fish? 10 seconds. Ah! It's too fast and too sneaky for me, but I will get him eventually. We have an update. Aha, that's gorgeous. We got big news. We're heading down to Clark's Point, so that's a little bit south. We got the beautiful sunset. It's kind of Wood River saying goodbye to us. Bye, Wood River. It's a little sad. We loved you. Our job's gonna get a little bit harder, but I mean, nothing we can't handle yet. Maybe we'll get some cool shots of sunset mist. Now, lean back, stick your tail. Now frolic across the cat cow. I almost just died. James just hit the horn. The adrenaline just coursing through my veins right now. Take a nap.